Emma was rejected 7 times. Not because she was untalented, but because she didn't know how to write a proper email. Then one simple email changed everything. Emma was sitting alone in her room, scrolling through internship websites on her laptop. Suddenly, she saw a graphic design internship at a famous company. Her eyes lit up. "This is perfect for me," she said excitedly. Emma quickly opened her email and wrote, "Hi. I want internship. Send details." Then she clicked send. She felt confident. But after 2 days, a reply came. "Sorry, we cannot continue with your application." Emma's smile disappeared. "This always happens," she whispered sadly. At dinner, her older brother noticed she looked upset. "What happened?" he asked. Emma showed him the email. He read it quietly, then smiled a little. "Emma, your problem is not your talent." "Then what is it?" she asked. "Your email." Emma looked confused. Her brother said, "A professional email is your first impression. Before people see your skills, they see your words." That sentence stayed in Emma's mind all night. The next morning, she decided to learn how to write a proper email. She opened her laptop again and followed 5 simple steps. Step 1. Write a clear subject. This time Emma wrote, "Application for graphic design internship," because the subject tells the reader exactly why you are emailing. Step 2. Start with a greeting. Instead of writing "Hey," Emma wrote, "Dear hiring manager." Now the email looked respectful and professional. Step 3. Introduce yourself. Emma wrote, "My name is Emma Carter, and I am a college student passionate about graphic design." Then she added, "I have experience using Canva and Adobe Photoshop, and I enjoy creating social media posts and logo designs." Now the company could understand who she was and what skills she had. Step 4. Explain what you want. Emma carefully wrote, "I am applying for your internship program because I want to improve my design skills and gain real work experience." Then she added, "I believe this opportunity will help me learn from professionals and grow as a designer." See? Emma clearly explained what she wanted, why she wanted it, and how it could help her future. That made her email stronger and more professional. Step 5. End politely. Finally, Emma wrote, "Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your response." Then she ended with, "Best regards, Emma Carter." Before sending the email, Emma read everything one more time carefully. No spelling mistakes. No rude words. Everything looked clear and professional. Her hands were shaking a little. But this time, she felt proud. She clicked send. 3 days later, while Emma was studying, her phone rang. "Hello, is this Emma Carter?" "Yes," she replied nervously. "We reviewed your email and portfolio." Emma held her breath. "And we would love to offer you the internship." Emma's eyes filled with tears. "Really?" she asked softly. "Yes. Your email was professional, clear, and impressive. After the call ended, Emma smiled and looked at her laptop. That day she learned something important. Sometimes success is not about being the smartest person. Sometimes it starts with writing one good email. So if you also want to write professional emails, remember these 5 simple steps. Write a clear subject. Start with a greeting. Introduce yourself. Explain what you want. End politely. Because one email can open the door to big opportunities. Subscribe for more easy English learning and storytelling videos.